Welcome back to Leather Fashion Trends, where style isn't just its felt. Before we dive into today's look, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Leather Fashion Trends. Because here we bring you the latest fashion trends that truly elevate your style. Today, we are exploring a combination that is bold, elegant, and incredibly powerful: leather leggings styled with dresses and heels. This is not just an outfit, it's a fashion statement. Let's begin with the foundation of this style. Leather leggings are known for their sleek, body hugging fit. They shape your silhouette and add a bold edge to your overall appearance. Now, when you layer them with a dress, something interesting happens: your outfit gains depth, contrast, and a unique personality. It's no longer just simple styling, it becomes fashion with intention. Now, let's talk about how to style dresses with leather leggings. For a relaxed and casual look, you can pair leather leggings with a loose or flowy dress. This contrast between the soft fabric of the dress and the structured look of leather creates a beautifully balanced outfit. It feels effortless, comfortable, and stylish at the same time. Now let's focus on the game changer: heels. Heels completely transform this outfit. They add height, elegance, and a strong sense of confidence. Whether you choose classic pumps, strappy heels, or pointed stilettos, each one brings a different mood to your look. Heels combined with leather leggings create a long, sleek line that enhances your posture and overall presence. It's the kind of look that instantly makes you feel more put together and stylish. Now let's talk about colors and combinations. Black leather leggings are timeless. They work with almost every dress, from soft neutrals like beige and white to bold colors like red, emerald green, or even deep blue. But if you want to stand out, don't be afraid to experiment. Burgundy, chocolate brown, and dark green leather leggings are trending in 2026. These shades add richness and uniqueness to your outfit while still keeping it elegant. You can also play with textures. Pairing matte leather leggings with sateen or chiffon dresses creates a luxurious contrast that feels high-end and stylish. Now let's explore seasonal styling. In winter, this look becomes even more powerful. Layer your outfit with a long coat or trench coat. Add leather leggings underneath your dress. And finish the look with heels or heeled boots. This not only keeps you warm but also gives your outfit a premium, layered appearance. In warmer seasons, go for lighter fabrics. Choose breathable dresses and lighter faux leather leggings. Pair them with open-toe heels or minimal sandals for a fresh, clean, and stylish summer look. Now let's not forget the finishing touch: accessories. Accessories have the power to elevate your entire outfit. Leather leggings with dresses and heels are not just about fashion, they are about attitude. When you wear this combination, you're expressing strength, elegance, and individuality. So walk confidently, own your style, and let your presence do the talking. Mid reminder: if you haven't already, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Leather Fashion Trends for more premium fashion content just like this. Asterisk asterisk. To sum it all up, leather leggings styled with dresses and heels create a perfect blend of comfort, elegance, and modern fashion. It's a versatile look that works for casual days, stylish evenings, and even special occasion. It's bold, it's refined, and it's completely timeless. If you're looking to upgrade your wardrobe with something that feels powerful yet effortless, this is the style you need to try. Stay confident, stay stylish. And I'll see you in the next video with another amazing fashion trend. And don't forget like, share, and subscribe to Leather Fashion Trends, your ultimate destination for style inspiration.